Let's real quickly go over how to navigate this course. When you first open, it will open to the Start Here page. What you want to do is pay attention to these sections over here on the left-hand side. I've actually labeled the sections 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All of my courses will take basically the same structure. It starts with the Start Here page. Your instructor, you can read a little bit about me if you want, but what you're really going to be interested in is the office hours, their announcements. You need to check these very often. I change assignments, I give assignments, I issue due dates. You're expected to read those announcements. That is to say, I'm assuming that you read them. So if you don't and you miss a due date, that's on you. Okay, course content. The bulk of the material is found under the course content. As you will have seen from the Start Here page, this course is comprised of 15 modules. Each of those modules is found under the course content in orange or red. I do want to quickly point out I have 3 other links. A lab schedule, which you will use a lot. This is the lab schedule for every experiment and every item you're going to need to do. A file name checklist. You will turn in a number of files and they will be named exactly correct. So this is kind of a checklist for you to let you know how to name files and a little brief idea of where those files come into play with each experiment. So I put those 2 links at the top. Course links are just some general links you can look through, and these are kind of standard operating fare for all of my chemistry classes. Okay, back to course content, and then we begin with module 1 and work through module 15. Collaborate. I normally, for doing virtual meetings, use Google Meet, but I might use BlackBoard Collaborate. If I tell you to go to Collaborate, then you're just going to click this link. If I send an announcement and tell you that we're going to meet using Google Meet, I will put the address and time in that announcement. Discussions, I may or may not post some requirements for us to have discussions. And if I'm not sure we're required to have a group project, then that will be under the Groups tab. Finally, here's the Calendar tab. This is standard Blackboard issue. It doesn't seem to be working very well, so I'm not sure we're going to get much benefit from that. And of course, My Grades is where your grades are going to be. Finally, because you're going to navigate to the various modules quite a bit, I have made use of module shortcuts. So you can just get, say, to module 4 with 1 click rather than several clicks. And so with that, let me say one more time, welcome to Chem Lab 1105.